Nagbihis ako mga palangga kasi aalis kami. Aalis sana kami kasama yung anak ni Jan, yung si Carla, yung girlfriend ng anak ni Jan, yung mama ni Carla, and then yung mama ni Jan. Pero kaninang umaga, yung anak ni Jan tumawag sa papa niya, kay Jan. Sabi niya na he's not feeling well, nagsusuka daw sila. Last year, ganito din yung ginawa nila. Kinancel nila last minute. Palagi kasi silang nagpa-party. Yan yung nangyayari sa kanila. Palagi silang nagpa-party. Mga from December 20 talaga to towards New Year. Nako. Yung party nila. Hindi ko mabilang kung ilang party yung pinupuntahan nila. Kaya ayun. Masama na naman yung pakiramdam. But anyway, tutuloy pa din kami kasama yung mama ni Jan. So, kami lang tatlo. At ito yung suot ko, yung binigay ni Mr. na jacket. I really like it. At ito yung suot ko. Yan. Nakikita ba? Pakita ko nyo sa inyo, ha? Yan. Yan. Ito yung suot ko. Sparkly siya. Hukubadin ko muna yung jacket, ha? And yung sleeve niya is a 3/4 sleeve. Ito siya. Yan. Yung ano niya, yung style niya, may pagka-tunic dress siya. Kasi medyo may pagkahaba kasi. Yan. Pero I like the glitter. Normally talaga, hindi ako nagsusuot ng glitter. Kasi I think na yung glitter parang overpowering siya ba. Pero sabi ni Jan, it's okay. It looks good on you. So, si Jan nasa taas pa. Hinihintay ko na lang siya. Tinanong ko si Jan kung if they do it deliberately. Kasi parang last year, nagkasakit, kinancel. At ngayon naman, it's the same thing. So, sabi niya naman ni Jan, no, I don't think so. Na they do it deliberately. Kasi yung relation talaga ni Jan at yung anak niya, sobrang close sila. Pero, minsan, basta, nako naman talaga, minsan yung anak niya may pagka-matampuhin ba. Kung hindi niya nakukuha yung gusto niya, ayun, nagtatampo sa papa niya. So, ewan ko lang. I want to take a picture of this jacket and see how I look like. Can you take a picture, please? With my phone, so I can send them to my family. They want to see what I got for Christmas.
Shouldn't send anything.
We're nearly here.
To pick Mamma Mia up.
Yeah. I don't think you know that they know your mama's name.
Who?
Our subscriber.
Patricia.
Her name is Patricia.
Her name is Nona.
I think she called Patricia Ann. Yeah. Look, she's out already. I can see her. Yeah.
That's clear.
Bless her.
No, it's not.
We're here.
Oh, feel right. Right.
Thank you.
Okay. What we giving?
Can I get a rosé wine, please?
Yeah, just medium, is it?
Sorry.
Medium.
Yes,
Yeah.
medium, please.
And a pint of live champagne.
Breakfast on the lager. Breakfast on the lager.
Yeah, just took it all tab and then
It was a rosé.
Yeah.
it was, yeah.
starter.
Is this bread?
John starter as well. Same. Mother is not having starter. So John is having cappuccino, Mom is having a cup of tea, and I'm just having a water.
This is heavy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Yeah, I tell you what.
You like that?
Yeah, I like that tea. People balance.
Is it heavy? Can I have a feel?
Yeah, you can. It is heavy. Heavy without the tea in.
Oh yeah, it's heavy, hon.
Heavy without the tea in.
Yeah.
We just thought they brought our dessert first, didn't they?
Yeah.
Shouldn't they?
So for the dessert, I'm having sticky toffee pudding, and them two, they're having raspberry and apple crumble.
Well, I don't know what this is, but I'm going to take it down.
Just cake. Thank you.
This must be dessert.
You got it, John? That's it. Mind your hands. We are home. Yung mama ni John, dinrap off na namin siya. Hindi na namin siya sinama dito sa bahay. Kasi it's quite late as well. Well, it's not late, but she wanted to have a rest as well. Hey!
I'm coming now, Bess. I'll let you out.
They miss you, hon.
Miss me like a headache.
It's warm here. I feel sick. Too many wines, John said.
The next day.
Is that your new trousers?
Here you go.
Ah, very nice. Hi.
Right, I'm off.
You're off.
Yeah.
Play pigeon.
So you feed the dog, won't you?
I will.
Yeah. I'll be back sometime just after 12, I think, anyway.
Okay.
Whether I have a butter here or I have a pie there, I don't know.
Have a pie there.
I'll see what there is. See what there is, if there's anything worth having.
Bye. See you later. Take care.
Don't forget, 11:30.
I won't.
It is open. Okay.
Yeah. Girls, you are with me today. Yung kasama ni Mr. yung best friend, hindi naman sa best friend, pero best friend sa pag click pigeon shooting. Good morning! Naka-dressing gown pa ako. Yung oras dito is 9:30 na ng umaga, and here I am still, mukha pa din akong kakagising ko lang. Mukha pa din akong dugyot. Well, I'm tired. I'm very, very hungry. I can smell it. Yan. Ito yung breakfast natin / lunchtime kasi 10:45 na dito. So, meron tayong rice, sitaw at baboy, orange at tubig kasi yun talaga yung charot. New Year's resolution ko na dapat umiinom ako ng tubig araw-araw. Umiinom ako ng tubig pero hindi araw-araw. So, yan talaga yung dapat kong i-implement sa sarili ko na dapat uminom ng tubig everyday. Walang magandang panoorin. Yung pinapanood ko, China Twin, Still the One, concert ata to para sa New Year, I don't know. Live in Las Vegas, the world's best-selling female country artist of all time performed her greatest hits during the residency at Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas. Right? Ang sarap talaga. Yung Premier LPG nandito. Yun. Merong guide doon. Yung Premier LPG nandito. Merong guide doon na nagre-refill sa tank. I wonder, magkano na naman kaya ang mababayaran namin? Ito na, meron na tayong bill. Tingnan natin. Hindi natin makikita yung amount kung magkano yung mababayaran natin. This is just a receipt kung magkano yung nilagay nila. Yung nilagay nila, hindi ko maintindihan. End net count, 662 liters. Net delivery, 662 liters. So, does that mean yan yung nilagay nila sa tank? And merong reference number dito. So, hindi mo talaga makikita kung how much. I think, i-insert mo lang yung, or itatype mo lang yung reference number din. Makikita mo doon kung magkano yung mababayaran mo. Si Jan kasi yung naghahandle sa mga ganyan, kaya hindi ko alam. Malamig pero mainit yung sun. Kukuha lang ako ng mga kahoy para sindihan yung ating wood burner. I wonder what's the temperature. Yung house temperature natin, I think mababa. The house temperature, oh my, 16 degrees. Hello, Pipa. Hello. Come on now, let's go to your house. Let's go. Mga kukulit nyo. Wala akong treat ngayon. I'm so sorry. Come on, let's go. Nanglagas na yung ating Christmas tree. Look. Ay. Pero it still look good. Diba? Marami pang dahon. Try natin dito. Ay, tingnan nyo yung dito na malapit sa radiator. Nag-yellow na talaga siya. Tuyo na yung ibang dahon. Bye-bye Christmas tree. Hindi ko siya tatanggalin ngayon, pero weekend siguro tatanggalin ko siya. Mr. John is here, having his lunch.
Looking very pale, darling.
Me? I feel tired.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will open the cracker, honeybee. Is that okay?
Why?
I will open it. I'm curious what's inside the cracker. A golf. Oops, my battery is blinking. We need to be hurried. Nalobat kanina yung camera, so we'll continue.
You said you're freezing.
Yeah, I'm cold.
Yeah.
I'm freezing, I'm cold. So, meron pa tayong dalawa dito. May nagsabi na akala nila yung Christmas cracker kinakain. To be fair, noon talaga, hindi ko din alam kung ano yung Christmas cracker. I thought as well na it is edible, pero wala. Ganito lang. Ewan ko. Yan. Then yung laman niya, may ano to? Ano yung laman niya? Oh, cards! So, yung inside niya, meron siyang laman. Tulad nito.
Playing cards.
Playing cards, yeah. Oh, a joker. Oh, we have a playing cards now, Han.
Big,
And merong crown and jokes. Who delivers presents to baby sharks at Christmas? Santa Joe's. At yung last cracker natin for this year. Oh, bottle opener. So I think yung useful items that we got from our Christmas cracker is the tablespoons, the measuring spoon, and that diamond, the keychain, and ito.
Because you made a mistake of putting a real one in.
Yeah, we need to play this
Right, there's your
for
coffee.
tonight.
There's your coffee.
Are we staying up late? So, yun lang mga palangga. So, ito na din yung vlog natin for today. I don't know how long the vlog will be, pero walang ganap ngayon. Chill-chill lang. Pagod din ako at pagod si Mr. Today is the New Year's Eve. I don't know if we will stay late, but we'll see. So, I'll see you next year. Bye! So, wish you nothing but all the best. Mwah! Thank you. Bye!